applying And now onto the essential oils. I'm starting with my peppermint essential oil. Now, talking about essential oil, you need to be very careful when you're using yours. So we're going to be using it in just small quantities. I'm going in with about 15 drops of my peppermint essential oil, just because I want that minty, sensational feel to my scalp. So you can actually do maybe 8 drops or 10 drops at max, or if you want it to be very minty, then go ahead and use about 15 drops of your peppermint essential oil. I'm also going in with my rosemary essential oil, which is another powerhouse. Peppermint and rosemary essential oil are very great at nourishing our scalp. These oils are very great at promoting hair growth as well. So they will not just nourish the scalp, they will also boost hair growth, and they are very great at boosting blood circulation around the scalp. So I'm going in with about 12 drops of my rosemary essential oil. Now, do remember that you can also choose any essential oil you feel comfortable with. I am also going in with my tea tree essential oil. This will help to prevent any scalp concerns such as dandruff, itchy scalp. This will help to also calm irritated scalp, like it will calm the scalp, it will calm it of stress. If you're feeling if your scalp is feeling stressed, especially if you're wearing a protective hairstyle, then this tea tree essential oil will help to calm the scalp as well as nourish the scalp. And I'm also going in with my fragrance, and here I'm using lavender fragrance, just because I want my scalp smelling amazing, and especially if you're going to wear your protective hairstyle for a longer period of time, then you want to add a fragrance to it so it smells amazing. And I'm using lavender. Now you can choose any fragrance of your choice, but make sure it is an oil soluble fragrance. Like there's also water soluble fragrance, but you want to make sure that you're using oil here so it can blend easily with this oil blend. And finally, I'm going in with my vitamin E oil. This is a powerful antioxidant that you want to add into this oil blend. Vitamin E is actually great at moisturizing the scalp. It will help to moisturize it. It will reduce dry scalp. It will it will help to promote hair growth. It will help to nourish the scalp. Like, it's very great for the scalp health. If you want a healthy scalp, then go ahead and add just a drop of your vitamin E oil into this oil blend. And so I've added all the oils together, it is time for me to mix everything up. You want to make sure that everything is fully combined right here before you go ahead to transfer into your bottle. Now this is the kind of dropper bottle I'm using, so you want to make sure it is clean. I washed my own a day before and I made sure it is well dried. You don't want any moisture in it because you don't want your oil to go rancid within a short time. So you want to make sure that it is clean enough before you go ahead to add in your oil. Now you can choose any kind of storage bottle of your choice, but I prefer this. I feel like it helps me to easily apply this oil directly to my scalp and my hair strands. So my homemade oil mix is ready, and it is time for me to share with you how I apply this right